Hey guys! For those of you who might be new here, I'm a full-time working mom. I have 4 young children and I love making videos on fashion, beauty, and a mommy lifestyle. So if that sounds at all interesting to you, please consider checking out my other videos and subscribing using my link down below. For those of you who might be returning, thank you so much for coming back to yet another video. And as you know, based on the title of this video, it's another Ipsy unbagging. And I'm so excited to share with you what I got in my Ipsy bag this month. So this is for the month of August. And I just got this in the mail. It came a little bit late. For whatever reason, it was a little bit delayed in shipping. But I'm glad I finally got it. So I'm excited to tear into this thing. I really have no idea what's inside. I haven't been opening the email flyers or any kind of mailers out there. I just haven't had a lot of time as usual. So I'm excited to kind of figure out what's in here with you all and give you some of my first impressions. I will let you know that this video is definitely not sponsored by Ipsy. They have no idea who I am. I just want to share with you the products that I get in my normal subscription service. I'm just a normal, average working mom. Definitely not sponsored, but hopefully you're interested in kind of seeing what I got. I've been a subscriber to the service for a couple years now, I'd say, and I really enjoy looking at some new products and trying them out every month and stuff that I really otherwise wouldn't try. So it's just a nice little fun pick-me-up in the middle of the month. So I've been really enjoying my subscription. So I'm just going to go ahead and tear into this thing. And this beautiful glam bag just came in the mail again, and I will open her up for you. And I just love checking out what the new cosmetic bags are every month. That's largely why I signed up for Ipsy. I did try some other makeup subscription services before that didn't come with such a cool makeup bag every month, and I'm a sucker for these little pouches and bags. So I will admit, what drew me to Ipsy was the fact that you get this really cool bag every month. And this month, it looks like it's this really nice hunter green kind of studded textured bag. The pull tab does say Ipsy, like all their bags do, I think. And it's a really nice classic style. It's not very soft, it's a little bit plasticky, but I guess that makes sense for makeup products. So another nice kind of versatile bag. I have quite a collection of these bags. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them. My daughter uses some of them and just kind of throws them around the house. I do use some of them to store things in pouches in my purses, but I definitely have more than I need. So let me know if you guys have any good uses for these bags. I definitely want to know about what I can kind of recycle them for. So anyway, let's go ahead and dive in here. Oh, I love the pop of color. It's really nice pink color inside. It has the little flyer in here and kind of tells about some upcoming things. I think I did get an email saying they are revamping the service. I think they are charging a little more probably, but besides that, I think you're gonna be able to pick maybe one item, I think, per month. I saw in the email. Again, I didn't really read the email too well yet, but I think you are gonna have more options in terms of your selection of items and maybe more variety. I don't know, they're upgrading it in some way. And of course that comes along with a little bit of a higher price. So I'm going to try it out first and see how I like it, and I'll let you know if the changes are good or not. But I do like one of the changes this year where they start including what's in your bag and a little description about what the items are. So I don't want to look too much at this yet, but I will be referencing this as I'm talking so I can tell you a little bit more about the products. So the first thing is this item here. It's from Sunday Riley. Ooh, I love that brand, but I haven't tried this. It's the brightening enzyme water cream. Here's what it looks like. And it's just a little container here, but it says on here that it's the Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. It has 2 types of hyaluronic acid for moisturization and to plump your skin. It's a multitasker and also exfoliates because it has papaya enzyme. And it can brighten dark spots, which I definitely need. I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, like I said in other videos, especially growing up in Hawaii. I didn't wear a lot of sunscreen when I was younger, to be quite honest. Now I'm obsessed with sunscreen, but back then I wasn't. So I do definitely have a lot of hyperpigmentation. So I'm looking forward to any product that claims to help with that. It doesn't really have much of a scent, I would say. You're just supposed to apply it on your face and neck morning and night and to massage it in. And here's what it looks like. So I think this will be a nice thing to try. I'll let you know. I do like Sunday Riley products. I haven't used a lot of them, so let me know if you have some favorites below I should check out. But I'm definitely excited to try more in this line. So it's the Tidal Exfoliating Brightening Water Cream. That's kind of fun. I like skincare always. And then the next thing is this looks like a nail color. I love their nail colors, like I've mentioned in other videos, and I think I get a lot of it. I think in my initial quiz that I took for Ipsy, I did put down that I do like a lot of nail colors. So basically every month or every other month I get a nail polish. I do need to stop getting nail polishes, I think, to be honest. My collection is getting pretty large, but I do my own nails, as I've said before. Rarely I'll get a manicure, but usually it's just all on my own, just because I don't have a lot of time to leave the house for a manicure every week or every other week. So I tend to just do them on my own. I think they're good enough. I mean, they're not spectacular or anything. I did just do my nails yesterday in this really cool lilac pink color, and I did get this nail polish from a previous Ipsy bag from a couple months ago, so I do use their products. Not all the nail colors that I get, though, are good quality. I will say that from Ipsy. Oftentimes they do chip or peel pretty quickly, but this one that I have on now seems to be doing pretty well. Anyway, so moving on to the nail color I got now. It's the Color Club nail polish. The color is Nothing But a Smile, and apparently it's a female founded brand, and it's based in New York, making really fun, cruelty-free nail colors. And it's a really neutral color, which I love. So it's Color Club is the line. And let's see what the color looks like here. Ooh, this is gonna be good for me. I love, even though I love occasional pops of color like this, I do love really the neutral tones best, especially for work. I think it's probably the most appropriate, to be honest, to wear. So look at that, it's just a very basic nude color. I for sure am going to be trying this on my nails, and you'll be seeing them in future videos, so I'll check out this line. I haven't tried anything from this particular Color Club line before, so I'll definitely give it a try. And let's see what's next. It looks like it's the Estate, it's called Do Me Baked Highlight Powder, so a highlighter. And this one looks like it has adorable packaging. It says it's cruelty-free, and it's a light gold pearl finish highlighter. And you're supposed to swipe it on just like typical highlighters. Let's see. So, it's a pretty big pot. I mean, that's pretty nice. So let's see how it looks. I love the pink color. Look at that, it's really pretty. Let me swatch it for you here. So I occasionally use highlighters. I don't use them every day, I will say, but it does swatch pretty nicely, I'd say. And I have a lot of them. I never work through a full highlighter, so this is kind of a big container for me, but look at that. Really nice light payoff. It swatches really nice, I'll say. Really, really beautiful. Definitely reflective. So yeah, I'll give this a try. Feels nice, and it's amazing packaging. So it's, the line is called Estate. Okay, so I have two more products in here. The next is this Wander Beauty, so I definitely know that line, and it looks like it's a purifying brightening peel off mask in this cute little container. So according to this sheet here, it's a lift off purifying brightening peel off mask. It's a berry pink mask, also it's pink, which is kind of cool. Antioxidants, brightens, freshens skin, and you're supposed to just apply it on an even layer and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then peel off the mask. So these peel off masks are really fun. I usually do them maybe about once a week or so. So I definitely want to try this one out. It's sealed, which I won't open, so I can keep it fresh for longer, but apparently it's kind of a pink color and it's a cool peel off style. So I'll check that out for sure. And then I just have one final product in here, and it looks like it is a mascara. It's the Ico Beach Waterproof Mascara. I haven't heard of this line before either. And I do like these mini mascaras. Like I've said, I don't go through mascaras that quickly, so a really large one I really don't need, because you're supposed to change a mascara, as you know, every 3 months or so. So these small versions I think are really, really useful. And this one apparently is waterproof, and which I really love as well. And it looks like it's loaded with coconut oil, and it also has sunscreen in it, which is cool. I just said I love sunscreen, especially for areas that you don't think about applying sunscreen, like your eyelids. So this is pretty neat how it includes sunscreen. So let's see how the brush looks. pretty standard brush. I don't know if there's anything really unique about it necessarily, but it's a nice little container here. I love how it's not a typical mascara vial. It is kind of a tube design, which is kind of unique. So I'll definitely give this a try. It's the Ico line, their beach waterproof mascara. And those are my 5 products. So the bag is empty, and this month I'm pretty excited. I don't know if I'm gonna get a use out of absolutely all of these products. I think I'll try them out, but I may probably never go through that full highlighter. Things like the mask I may use. I have a ton of masks. I think I'll use the mascara for sure. I'll definitely use the nail polish, and then the water cream I definitely am going to be trying and seeing if it helps with my dark spots. If it does, I definitely will purchase a full size of that. Let me just say that. So an okay bag. I think that it's not the best month, but not a bad one. So if you got any other fun finds in your bags this month, please let me know down below. If you have any questions about my experience with Ipsy, any of these products, or anything at all, just go ahead and leave them down in the comments as well. Otherwise, if you haven't done so already and you like this kind of Ipsy and bagging videos, please let me know by leaving this video a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to my channel as well while you're at it. So once again, thank you so much for all of your support and for watching this video, and I'll plan to see you again in my next one. Take care. Bye.